Hello, Keller Williams Mullinex. This is Heather, and I'm going to talk to you about paid campaigns in Command. So we've logged into Command, and I have gone to the campaigns icon over here on the left, and I'm going to create a new campaign. It is going to be a social ad, and we're going to advertise a listing. And our listing will be 912 North Lilac Lane. That's what I will call it, and we are going to run it on Facebook. Then I'm going to set up campaign. And then I will search in here for our listing. I'm going to go to all listings over here since this is Missy's account and the listing is under Steve. So here it is right here. And it's already got my name and my goal, which is the first thing I did. The next thing I'm going to configure is the ad text. It's already pulled in the first couple of sentences from our listing. So I will probably cut that down to just the first two sentences. And if you'll look over here on the right, it's giving you a preview. The next thing we're going to do is enter a headline. I'm probably going to keep it pretty close to what this first line says. This home has recently been updated, so let's say gorgeous floors in this newly updated Midwest City home. Let's see, for the full description, I'm probably going to pull the next couple of sentences out of the MLS listing. Let's see here. We'll take those next two there, paste them in there. I like the way that looks over here. So I'm going to save add text. So that's checkmark green when it's done, and we'll move on to the next one, which is the ad media. I'm going to choose several images, so I'll pick multiple images and then click here where it says select media for this campaign. I'm going to pick, you'll have to pick one at a time and then it'll prompt you to crop. That looks good. We're going to go to add image. So let's do a living room shot. I like this one. Crop image. There's image 2 and image 1. You can pick up to 5, I believe. Let's do the kitchen. That's a good kitchen. This one, that one. I like that. Crop image. How about the office here? Throw that in the mix. Highlight those beautiful floors. And we'll do an outside shot here. Okay. We're going to save ad media. We're going to configure where we want it on Facebook. I have already connected my Facebook within the settings. If you have not done that yet, you'll need to do that first, and you can do that in your settings window. Web group real estate. We're going to say learn more, and that's what will show up here in the bottom corner. Follow up destination URL. After they submit a form and it pops into our command, we can use a landing page, or we can use, if your photographer builds something for you with all of the images, you can also put that in there. Ours does. So let me pull that up. We use Nested. So I will find the URL. They build us a branded site for every tour that we have with them. It will allow them to see all of our all of the photographs and additional information for that particular listing. So I will copy that, go back to command, we'll say, there we go. We are going to target the Midwest City area with a 15-mile radius. I'm not going to dive any deeper into that. We're going to save the Facebook ad. We've already told it, let's see, we want $10, and that's going to be $1 a day. For 10 days, we usually like to do about a week. So we'll do, it starts the next day. So once they get it in and approve it, it'll show up starting tomorrow. So we'll do the 5th through the 12th, 7 days, $10 total on Facebook. We're going to save that. Everything's checked off here. The Facebook preview looks good. I like all the images. I think it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and publish the campaign. Yes, $10 on Facebook. Oh, goodness. I don't know what that means. Well, there's some sort of error, but publish campaign, it will pop in. We'll save it as the draft right now, and it should go into our campaign list, and I can go back in there and add it later. We have one current campaign running right now. It has 16 leads so far, and it's been running since mid last week. It ends in a couple of days, so that's a really good campaign for us. These leads, when they fill out the form, pop right into our command, and they show up with a little L, and it actually gives a note that says what campaign it belongs to. So that's very helpful. If you have any questions, you can come find me. Again, this is Facebook lead ads.